Assalamualaikum, we are from Group 11. We'll present about the case analysis of Honda Company. This is our team members. For the Honda history, founded by Soichiro Honda in the 1930s, embarked on a remarkable journey from a garage mechanic to a global force. Starting with fine-tuning cars for races, Honda's wartime venture into manufacturing history for Toyota laid the foundation. After learning about the Toyota's quality control, Honda established the Honda Technical Research Institute in 1946, swiftly evolving into Honda Motor Company. By 1959, they were the world's largest motorbike market. Over the years, Honda expanded globally, entering the US market in 1959 and introducing more automobiles in 1982. The innovative spirit with the introduction of a dual-class gearbox in bicycle in 2010. Acura, Honda's luxury brand, was launched in 1986, solidifying Honda's presence in the US luxury market. Today, Honda remains the world's largest motorcycle market, producing over 4 million engines annually and holding a significant position in the Japanese automotive industry. Honda's legacy is a testament on unwavering dedication, constant innovation, and a profound impact of the past, present, and future of the transportation. For the Honda Company background, headquartered in Tokyo, Japan, is a global powerhouse in automobiles, motorcycle, and more. With divisions spanning motorcycle, automotive, financial service, and life creations, Honda operates globally with plants in various countries and joint venture in India, China, and ownership of companies in Malaysia and Pakistan. Competing with major players like Toyota, Suzuki, and BMW, Honda is renowned for fuel-efficient cars such as Civic and Accord, along with the luxury Acura brand catering to a vast clientele of 25 million worldwide. Committed to environmental sustainability, Honda targets carbon neutrality by 2050. Honda faces challenges with its complex structure, including unclear leadership and potential silos amidst declining sales and a changing market. Honda needs to adapt by embracing electrifications and adjusting this product's mix. Competing with giant like Toyota and dealing with threats from EV startup like Tesla demand strategic agility, economic challenges like rising steel price call for resource management innovation, while sustainability concern requires substantial investment in cleaner technologies. Balancing labor costs with competitiveness adds complexity. To negative this, Honda must find a delicate balance between efficiency, sustainability, and cost control.
Water 5 force analysis is part of the external analysis that company needs to know. These forces are important to adapt, challenge, and take advantage of emerging opportunities. First is rivalry among competing firms. What Honda has done is Honda emphasizes on fuel efficiency, technology, and reliability puts in direct competition, requiring constant adaptation to consumer preference. Second, potential entry of new competitors. To overcome this, Honda must innovate by the sale of electric vehicle and make sure not disruption technology. Third, potential development of substitute product. Honda faced the challenge of alternative transportation replacing traditional car ownership, such as ride-sharing, public transit, and sustainable options like bicycle and electric scooter. Fourth, bargaining power of supply. Honda prioritized collaborative partnership to maintain a stable supply chain, ensure quality standard, and negotiate favorable terms. Fifth, bargaining power of consumer. For Honda, prioritizing meeting the demand and preference of consumers as an automotive brand that has been recognized by customers globally. This is a competitive profile metric. Compare the strengths and weakness of different companies within an industry. We choose Hyundai, Honda, and Ford. According to this CPM, Hyundai is leading with the highest total score of 3.75, indicating a stronger overall competitive position in the industry based on selected factor and global vehicle sold. This is the external factor evaluation matrix. This is involved evaluation of external opportunities and threats faced by Honda. The total weight score for the EFE metric for Honda is 3.01 and it's performing above average 2.5. Which means that the company responds well to opportunities and can minimize threat.
In the mission analysis, based on the mission, Honda is stated that respect for individual and the three joy. As a company strives to create joy together, also in 2030, they want to help customers in the worldwide to grow their business potential. There are 8 components on the mission analysis, but Honda stated only 2 components, which is a philosophy and an employee. Functional analysis is can define as identifying major strength and weakness of the corporate of the basic major functional area of business. including management, marketing, finance, accounting, analysis, production, research and development, management information system. All organizations have the strength and weakness in the functional area of business. According to this case, Honda strength and weakness are as follow. IFE metric. Based on this analysis, Honda had a 3.37 weight score, which is more than 2.50. This shows Honda had a strong internal position.
According to the BCG metrics, Honda's car business is a star. While the auto industry is growing quickly, Honda car business has a big part of the market. This helped the company grow and make money overall. The motorcycle business of Honda, on the other hand, is in the question mark category of the BCG metrics. It looks like the motorcycle business only has a small part of an industry that is growing very quickly. When it comes to making investment and coming out with growth plans, this situation gives Honda both chances and a problem. Honda have a good spot in the BCG metrics. Its car business is called a star, but its motorbike business is called a question mark. This study focused on the chances for Honda to use its strength and get around the problems it faces in the car and motorbike markets. The space metric. The space metric is a management tool used to analyze a company. It is used to determine what type of strategy a company should undertake. The space metric is broken down into 4 quadrants, where each quadrant suggests different types of strategy. For example, aggressive, conservative, defensive, and competitive. The space metric analysis functions upon 2 internal and 2 external strategic dimensions in order to determine the organization's strategic posture in the industry. The space metric is based on 4 areas of analysis, which is internal strategic dimensions are financial strength and competitive advantage, while external strategic dimensions are environmental stability and industry strength. After getting the coordinates from the space metric, the graph is drawn to see which posture it could use. According to the space metric analysis, Honda seems to be in quadrant 1, which is the aggressive posture. This means that the company can take full advantage of chances to grow its market share. As the company has strong finances, a strong position in its industry, a competitive edge, work in a desirable field, and runs in a generally stable environment.
For the next one is SWOT metrics. The first one is SO, strength opportunities, which involve leveraging internal strength to explore external opportunities. So Honda can leverage its established brand and reputation for reliability to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles. The second one is weakness opportunity. It's strategies that aims to overcome internal weaknesses by taking advantage of external opportunities. Addressing the limited presence in certain segments, Honda can strategically form partnership with established players in emerging markets. So by doing so, the company can benefit from local expertise, distribution networks, and market knowledge. The third one is ST, strength threats. Strategies involve using internal strength to counteract or minimize external threats. In the face of economic downturns or intense competition, Honda can rely on its diverse product portfolio and strong brand. The company may emphasize marketing its reliable and fuel efficient vehicles during economic uncertainties to maintain customer trust. The next one is weaknesses threats. Strategies focus on mitigating internal weaknesses to avoid or reduce the impact of external threats. To mitigate the dependence on key markets and navigate stringent regulations, Honda can focus on improving efficiency and diversifying its product lineup. By investing in research and development, the company can address weaknesses and enhance its competitive position. Next one is internal and external metrics, which is used to assess the working conditions and strategic position of a business. So based on the results with the graph, Honda have a solid IFE axis, which is total weight score of 3.27 that fall under between 3.0 to 4.0. They indicate a solid position. So besides that, total weight score of the EFE y-axis is 3.01, which is also fall under between 3.0 to 4.0. They indicate a solid position. Thus, Honda is fall under box of grow and build strategy. So in this strategy, Honda needs to focus more on backward, forward or horizontal integrations and market penetration. So the next one is the growth strategy matrix, which is a strategic management tools that help organizations to evaluate and choose among various strategy alternatives. It is a 4-quadrant matrix that combines two key of dimensions, which is market growth rate and competitive positions. So Honda has positioned itself strategically in the grand strategy matrix quadrant 1, which reflects both its strong competitive positions and its strategic presence in high growth expanding markets. A concentrated growth quadrant 1, which is high market growth rate, strong competitive positions, and used market development, product development, and market penetration as their strategy. So the quadrant signifies a space where Honda's strategic focus shifts towards solidifying existing strength and maximizing efficiency within current landscape.
Next, I will continue with the QSPM matrix. Quantitative Strategic Planning Matrix is a high-level strategic management approach for evaluating possible strategies. QSPM provides an analytical method for comparing feasible alternative actions. QSPM allows us to evaluate the alternative strategies objectively to determine the most suitable strategy to be implemented by Honda. Based on the table, the strategy of enhanced global presence and diversifying the product range gained the higher total of attractiveness score compared than the strategy of leveraging strong brand reputation for electric vehicles. That means the strategy of enhance the global presence and diversifying the product range is the most suitable strategy to be implemented by Honda. Based on the results of QSPM implementation, it was found that enhanced global presence and diversifying product range is the most suitable strategy to be implemented by Honda. So there are several actions that can be taken to implement this strategy. First, Honda should conduct a market research to determine which market that has not been explored by Honda. The strategic plan should be considers the cultural and regulatory variations by Honda in order to enter and grow in the particular market. Second, Honda can add more electric vehicles to its lineup. Honda has to put more money into research and development to enhance its lineup of high-quality electric cars. Third, Honda should also try to improve its cooperation and partnership relationships. For example, in order to take advantage of synergies, Honda can also establish strategic partnerships with other businesses in the automotive and technology sectors. And lastly, Honda can also improve the organizational structure. Honda must make adjustments that improve decision-making efficiency and transparency in order to overcome the shortcomings of its ambiguous organizational structure.
Suggestion of policy. Firstly, prioritize quality to increase customer loyalty. Honda should focus on improving quality to win over customer in a competitive market. Second, embrace environmental sustainability to attract eco-conscious customer. Honda can attract environmental conscious customer by promoting its green initiative and becoming more sustainable. Next, foster innovation and employee management for breakthrough. Honda should encourage employee creativity and engagement to develop innovative products. Lastly, leverage digital transformation and AI for enhanced efficiency and customer experience. Honda can improve efficiency and customer experience by using automation and artificial intelligence. Action to be executed. Firstly, targeting marketing and enhance sales funnel for customer execution. Attract new customers by understanding their needs and preference and improve their sales. Second, technological innovation and customer-centric product development. Develop innovative product and feature and meet customer needs and preference. Next, market expansion into new product categories and service industry. Enter new market and develop new service offering to meet and charging needs of customer. Lastly, environmental sustainability and ethical brand practice. Implement sustainable practice and promote ethical behavior to build trust with environmentally conscious customer.
In conclusion, improved liquidity and profitability are positive indicator. Strategic frameworks show Honda's overall strong position, recommending leveraging strength addressing weakness and capitalizing on opportunities for sustainability success. To thrive, Honda should prioritize customer loyalty, champion sustainability, fuel innovation, and embrace digital transformation through target marketing, AI integration, and community engagement.